Do you want to become a money magnet, manifesting abundance and wealth into your life? If so, then Neville Goddard's teachings are just what you need. Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel. In this video, we will explore how to manifest financial success with Neville Goddard's teachings by developing the right mindset and taking action. We will also discuss how to harness your financial potential through the law of assumption, visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. By the end of this video, you should have the tools needed to become a money magnet and manifest abundance into your life. Friends, before jumping into the video, just remember one thing. Your support is what drives this channel forward, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Neville Goddard has the power to help you attract more money into your life using 5 steps towards manifesting financial success. The first step is recognizing that the desired financial state already exists and shifting one's mindset to focus on abundance and possibility rather than scarcity and lack. Visualization is key here. You must be able to vividly imagine yourself in this future state of financial success. Despite this seeming abstract, it requires unwavering faith and persistence. Positive affirmations are not enough. True belief is necessary for alignment with the reality of financial success. The second step involves cultivating an abundance mindset by replacing limiting beliefs about money. Reflect on any negative beliefs held about wealth or those who possess it, and express gratitude for what currently exists in one's life as a means to manifest greater prosperity in future seasons of life. The third step is taking consistent action towards goals while maintaining the belief that financial success is achievable. Actions will speak louder than words in creating real-world manifestations beyond simple daydreams of grandeur or positivity mantras, partially believed yet casually uttered throughout daily routines. Finally, bearing these powerful tools in mind, money can become magnetic when proper application meets genuine intent. Neville Goddard's teachings can help you get there through understanding such concepts as the law of assumption and law of attraction. With his teachings guiding your journey towards abundance, you are sure to make your dream of becoming financially successful come true. Many people are seeking to harness the power of Neville Goddard's teachings and learn how to become a money magnet. With dedication, an abundance mindset, and a few simple steps, manifesting abundance is possible. The first step in becoming a money magnet is aligning yourself mentally and emotionally with a financial state of success. This means creating a mental blueprint that sets you on the path toward wealth-building goals. This can be done by budgeting your finances wisely, investing in yourself through learning skills relevant to wealth building, networking with successful people, or finding mentors who can help guide you along the way. Another key step in manifesting financial success is cultivating gratitude for what you already have in your life, no matter how small it may seem. Doing this will help raise your vibrational frequency so that more abundance can come into your life. This could be anything from extra cash flow coming in or even new opportunities for growth. Limiting beliefs such as feeling unworthy or undeserving of financial success can hinder our ability to manifest wealth into our lives. This is why it's important to recognize these beliefs and work on overcoming them as soon as possible. Reframing negative thoughts with positive ones, implementing affirmations, and using visualization techniques focused on desired outcomes are other effective strategies when striving towards wealth-building goals. Additionally, engaging in personal development activities such as reading books or attending seminars, workshops should not be overlooked when trying to reach your goal. Lastly, surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals who share the same vision of financial success will make it easier for one another to stay motivated throughout their journey to manifest their dreams into reality. Are you seeking a way to manifest financial abundance through a positive mindset and gratitude? You've arrived at the right place in this video. In this section, we will delve into Neville Goddard's teachings on becoming a money magnet using potent manifestation techniques. By applying these methods, you can unleash the power of the law of attraction and draw wealth and success into your life. The key to successful manifestation lies in possessing a positive mindset that believes in your own ability to achieve. Be receptive and willing to overcome any limiting beliefs that might hinder your journey towards financial abundance. This entails introspection to identify any negative thoughts or doubts that may impede your progress. Detachment from the outcome is also crucial in manifesting wealth and success. Let go of any anxiety or fear that obstructs your manifestation efforts by focusing on the present moment rather than excessively worrying about future events. Express gratitude for what you currently have in life while maintaining a positive attitude. This will intensify your manifestation efforts and elevate the vibrational energy in your surroundings, attracting more abundance towards you. Lastly, harmonizing with cosmic forces is vital when seeking to manifest wealth and success. This calls for self-awareness, mental clarity, concentrated purpose, and releasing any limiting beliefs with an appreciative spirit. With Neville Goddard's teachings within reach, united we can unlock our potential and attract prosperity like never before. Are you looking to harness your financial potential? Do you want to manifest abundance in your life? If so, then you've come to the right place. Here at Neville Goddard's teachings, we create inspirational and motivational videos based on the teachings of Neville Goddard. We believe that each of us has the power to shape our destinies and turn our ambitions into reality by co-creating a prosperous world. In this section of the video, we will discuss how our financial potential lies within ourselves. It is important to embrace the spiritual journey that will lead us to fulfill our desires. Many of us believe that money is something external or can only be acquired through luck or chance. However, with Neville Goddard's teachings, we understand that this is not true. He taught us how to use the LOA, visualization techniques, and affirmations to manifest what we want in life, including money. It's important for everyone to form their own opinion on this subject matter. By following these steps, it may result in an abundance of wealth for those who trust in these teachings. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more informational videos like this one on manifestation. Yours truly. In conclusion, manifesting financial success is possible with Neville Goddard's teachings. These teachings can help us become money magnets and manifest abundance into our lives by developing the right mindset and taking action. Through the law of assumption, visualization, affirmations, and gratitude, we can harness our financial potential and achieve prosperity. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you found value in the manifestation tricks and insights shared, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll ensure that you never miss out on future videos where we delve deeper into Neville Goddard's magical tricks of manifestation. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider sharing it with your friends and loved ones. Together, we can spread the power of manifestation to more people and help them transform their lives. As always, sending you all my heartfelt blessings and gratitude. Thank you for being a part of our community. God bless.